This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to combine two PDFs using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. This is the Mac version of Adobe Acrobat Pro, and the Windows version basically works the same. What you're going to need is the Organize tool. If you don't see the tool on the left side of the page, click on the All Tools pane, and then you'll see Organize Pages. So I have this single page PDF. I'm going to add a second page that I designed separately to it. Pressing Organize Pages, and then look for the Insert button on the left side, Insert Pages, from File, and then I'm going to choose the one, it's this one right here, Add It, and then it prompts you, do you want to put it after or before the page that's already there? So I am going to put it after, and I'm going to click OK, and then you can see now I have two pages here. If I want to, I can just drag and rearrange them, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep the original arrangement, and at that point just save it or leave Organized Pages, and you'll be prompted to save it. You can see that there's two pages right now. Here's the first page, here's the second page. Make sure you save it, and you're good to go. If this helped, please take a moment to like it, follow me, and I'll see you next time.